Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews and insights. In today's video, we're going to dive into the SilverStone Technology
CS382 8-bay SAS-12G, Sata-6G hot swappable high-performance Micro-Atx Nas chassis, SSTCOVALENTC1S382. The SilverStone CS382 is a compact NAS chassis designed for enthusiasts who need a versatile and space-efficient solution. It supports Micro-Atx and Mini-ITX motherboards and even ATX power supplies. With 8 hot swappable drive trays, it can accommodate both 2.5 and 3.5 Sas-12G, Sata-6G drives, featuring LED indicators for drive status. The chassis offers standard air cooling with the option for liquid cooling, making it suitable for various setups. You can use 240mm or 280mm liquid cooling radiators. It supports up to 11 total drives, plus an additional 9.5mm slim optical drive. Front I/O includes 1x USB Type-C, 2x USB 3.0, and 1x combo audio port. The CS382 features a plastic front door and a steel body for durability. Dust filters are included in key areas, making maintenance a breeze. The 8 hot swappable bays are situated behind a front door with a security lock, ensuring your data safety. It's essential to note that this product is designed for use in the US, so you may need an adapter or converter for international use. The case is priced at $249.99 with additional shipping fees. Currently, the CS382 has received a rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon, based on 6 global ratings. Customers have praised its suitability for NAS builds, but some have found the assembly process to be challenging. The SilverStone Technology CS382 NAS chassis offers a compelling solution for those looking to build a high-performance NAS system. Its versatility, cooling options, and hot swappable drive bays make it an attractive choice for enthusiasts. However, potential buyers should be aware of the assembly challenges mentioned in customer reviews. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product insights.
Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.